Oh, let's see, man. I am tired, guys. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm like, it's the sluggish, ruggish bone. We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy, Big Play Ray. I do not have the hater blocker zone today, and we got a Toyota pickup truck that's going so slow in front of me that is ridiculous, man. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Love y'all, appreciate y'all. We on our way to Copart now today. I don't know how many cars you're gonna check out. We about to be in and out of here. It's just a couple of cars I want to check out. Of course, if I see some more stuff, I'm gonna show y'all that stuff. But I really came here for like, I think 2 cars today. I gotta check out my list. I'm arriving kind of late and everything, but I just wanted to come out. See, I'm tired and everything, man. Still tired, man. Been up all night, man. On this freaking, just working, man. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation, follow me on TikTok, We Hustle Daily. Follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Yeah. And make sure you go to wehustledaily.com if you're interested in learning how to buy and sell cars, right? I don't even feel like making no jokes today, but just make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if you're interested in learning how to make money, you know what I'm saying? But I don't even feel like making no jokes. Y'all know I be talking about how the people be on the side of the road. I don't want y'all on the side of the road and all that. You know what I'm saying? I don't even feel like doing it today, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you go to the website. So let's go ahead and get right into it, man. Get in here, check out these 2 cars. Hopefully I ain't got to walk too far all the way in the back of Copart, but if we do, it is what it is. The grind don't ever stop. So I'll see y'all when we get inside. Yeah, I'll see y'all when we get inside. This is perfect, man. Right here in the front. Love it. Guys, to love it. So we got an Acura TL. Oh my gosh. Acura TL. Look at the face of that joint right there. Is my phone on? I feel like my phone on or something. But we got an Acura TL. The actual auction is actually starting right now. 10 o'clock. 775 is the current bid on it for the 03 193 on the miles. Let's see what we looking like on the inside though. Look good. Let's go ahead and hurry up and crank this thing up because well, I don't know. Y'all know I don't like these because it smells like water in here. Definitely, I smell that. Man. Y'all know how I feel about that car. They bringing them all kind of like, I guess, up to the front when the auctions are sale, because that one was all the way in the back too. That truck, they got that truck right there. That truck is selling right now too. But yeah, man, yeah, this joint smell like water. Oh, there it is. Some stuff on the floor. Oh yeah, see? Yeah, man, so that's one. I think it's like 2 more, 1 or 2 more. I think I gotta look on my list real quick, but I'll be back with y'all in a minute. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Alrighty, Hustle Nation, our cars are kind of right by each other, so this is good. So what we got here? We got a little cord. I'm messing with the cars that don't really be having transmission problems, but we just want to check it out, man. You never know, bro. You just never know. This one clean, so you know it look good. Look good, looking real good. Hopefully it cranks up. This one actually looks very good. I actually like this one. Oh, let's see, man. I am tired, guys. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm like, it's the sluggish, ruggish bone. Y'all know that song? It's not the sluggish, ruggish bone. It's a thuggish, ruggish bone. But man, I'm feeling like the sluggish, ruggish bone right now, man. Long night last night. Long night last night. Long night last night, baby. Let's see what we got though, man. So over here So let's walk it over here. And if those who wondering, you know, I know we got some new people to this channel, and they gonna be wondering, like, man, why you just don't get the jump box, bruh? Why you don't get a jump box? Well, make sure you go to whdacademy.com, right? And I'm gonna show you everything you need to know. You're not gonna, you know what I mean? Like, if you already got whdacademy.com, look at the eye. Y'all already know why. You feel me? So let's see what we got though, man. Look at all these wrecked cars. Look at the Daytona still right there. We seen that. Make sure y'all, if y'all haven't seen that, y'all check the thumbnail out. That video is that car is one of the thumbnails, so I ain't about to walk back over there. But dang, man, so many cars. Let me see. Let me right back. Just hold on, just 1 second. Don't click off just 1 second. I see you over there. Man, things is going super smooth right now. I'm finding all my cars with a third car on the list. So they're not cranking up right now. I guess they're not going that smooth, but they're going smooth as far as my feet. So let's see. Y'all see I got the gray joints on, you know what I'm saying? I done retired the black ones, the old black ones, and I done put these to work, you know, these ACGs, you know, let me put those to work. I gotta find me another gray pair though. I actually like these. But let's see what we got though, man. I haven't seen them in this gray pair in a while. So we got a 2002 Toyota Camry with 90-something thousand miles. So good Continental tires, man. You can see the meat on them tires, so that's good. We got the G right here on the wheels. Camry, let's see, man. Let's see. I don't see no damage on it. Man, all right, that's another thing, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all, I kind of discovered, well, I ain't just discovered, but I'm always been a Honda man. Like, I ain't never personally drove a Camry before, right? Oh, I thought the door wouldn't open. I ain't never personally drove like a Camry before. It's like my personal car. So like, I'm the Honda man, you know what I'm saying? But one thing I can say about Toyota is I don't think they last longer than the Honda, man. For sure. They're a better car. For sure. Oh, we got power. Thank you. We got a cookie. In there. We got some power, y'all. We got some power, y'all. Let me see. Motor, huh? Yeah, 90,000. I was just talking good about you. How you open this damn thing? Dude! Alright, let it off. That motor's no good. That motor's no good. 90,000 though. So, and I know for sure, right? This car, this motor right here, I just, like, what's crazy is I just priced this motor. This motor right here costs like $1,400, $1,500, $1,600. You can get one from like the junkyard with like 120-something thousand miles on it. I literally just called, had a friend who motor went out, so I was actually calling to check out and see how much these motors cost, and they cost about $1,400, $1,500, $1,600 buckaroos, man. And even the ones with like 200,000 miles, they still cost like $1,100, which is absolutely crazy, man. So one thing I'm noticing though is about, like, as far as the Toyotas and stuff, is I'm noticing, like, oh well, I mean, of course, but the motors, they have more, they like, so for example, I paid for so it's all good. I paid for I bought a motor for a 2010 Chevy Impala one time, and that mug was $350. Yes, the motor itself was $350, man. A 2010 Chevy Malibu, 2010 Chevy Impala, what you call it, the 3.5 liter, $350. What did they put right here, man? I'm sorry, I just had to see it. This is Venom. Oh my God, what the hell did they do to this thing, bro? Now watch this be a V6. I can't even open this. Oh no, it's still hitting me, okay. Okay. They put this ugly, big old damn scoop on here. It's a 2010. But yeah, anyway, like I was saying, that motor costs $350, man, and that's crazy that that's like a 05 and that motor costs $1,400. I had the motor and somebody put it in for $750, so that's crazy, like the whole thing, and that's half of what just that motor costs. So, you know, just to give y'all some perspective on that real quick. And like I say, 2010 Chevy Impala. So I know it's the difference between the Impala and the Toyota, but yeah, man, I'm gonna go on and wrap this up, man. I don't really see nothing else in here, man. I know it's a short video, but man, I appreciate y'all, love y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so y'all can join the Hustle Nation, man. I love y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. It's your boy Ray, Big Plate Ray. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. I'm out. Peace.